NSCPDians, look at our Papa. If you are looking for goodness in a person, gentleness, kindness, compassion in a person, if you're looking for passion in a person, sacrifice in a person, if you're looking for generosity in a person, and too many other beautiful things, this is all I have mentioned in human form. He is a good man. He is a good man. What you see is not, it's not a picture of what is not behind. He does even much more behind. This is sacrifice in human form. And what a day to celebrate our amazing, our Papa, our prophet, our bishop, the one that comes out every morning. Are you celebrating Papa? Hey! Are you celebrating Papa? Hey! We cannot end today without celebrating him.
Yes.
Pastor Mark, do you have anything to say?
No. See, I want you to finish. Honestly, and can I come from the legal angle? Mm-hmm. Your wife is what we call a direct evidence or a direct witness of whatever she's saying. And in the court of law, we have classes of evidence. We have what we call circumstantial evidence. And then we have direct evidence. Between these two, when there is direct evidence, you don't need circumstantial evidence. It is stronger than circumstantial evidence. If your wife comes here, if Mama comes here to say all these things she has said, it's a case of res ipsa loquitur. There is nothing else to add. Papa, thank you, sir.
We love you.
You see. We're going to our testimonies. After our testimonies, we now come and do the main thing. But while we are taking testimonies, let our phone start buzzing with hashtag Papa. We love Pastor Jerry. Everywhere, let the internet break down with it. We love. Let the hashtag go viral. Let Mark begin to ask what happened. Let X or Twitter begin to ask what happened. Let TikTok fold today. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Let WhatsApp begin to strengthen their engine because we are disturbing it too much with we love Pastor. We love Pastor. If I let the world come to a standstill.
And
I'll give you a hug again. Thank you so much. We are all happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday. You see, please,
yes,
Mama. The truth is this: our Papa deserves all the love we can give him. As we shout it, as we do it, let us gift our Papa. Every kind of gift. Now, Mama has spoken, and I'm privileged to have also been close to Papa for a while, and I can tell you, he does not value anything else other than what God wants and the success of people around him. This is a man that has given his life as a gift to humanity. There's nothing you can give right now that will be like a hair. No, you can't pay. Let us show love in action. Please, I want to crave your indulgence, sir. I know you're not like this, but forgive me. You must have someone that is a bit weary in your family. So if I'm the one, no problem. Please permit us to flash your account details. Please permit us to flash your account details. Please, media, flash all the accounts: naira, yen, pounds, dollars, gold, silver. If anyone at all, just flash it. Let Papa feel the love of these people he wakes up for every day. Okay, let us now cut the cake. Okay, we're going to cut cake.
NSCPDians are about to cut the cake. We are all cutting a cake with our Papa. And what are we going to spell? What are we going to spell? We're not going to spell. We're going to say what God cannot do does not exist. Are you ready? So when I say 1, 2, go, we will say what God cannot do does not exist, and we cut the cake. Are you ready, LSPPdians?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, go.
What God cannot do does not exist.
Can you say, Papa, we love you?
Papa, we love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For what our God cannot do
Does not exist.
Okay, and